Welcome back to the AI Essentials series. In episode 1, we explored how AI, artificial intelligence, is that clever tech shaping your daily life, from smart alarms to Netflix picks. Now in episode 2, we're taking it up a notch. How does AI actually learn to do all this? We're diving deep into machine learning, spiced with the latest 2025 breakthroughs and real-world magic. Whether you're a student, a worker, or just curious about the AI revolution, this expanded 4-minute guide will keep you hooked and informed. Let's jump in. Last time, we likened AI to teaching a dog tricks. That's the heart of machine learning. A key branch of AI where computers learn from data instead of rigid programming. Picture this. Feed a computer millions of cat photos, and it learns to spot whiskers or ears to identify cats on its own. No human telling it step by step. In 2025, machine learning is everywhere, powering voice assistants, self-driving cars, and even your fitness app's workout suggestions. A big breakthrough? Last month, Google rolled out a new AI model that boosted language translation accuracy by 15% using real-time data from 100 languages. That means chatting with friends overseas feels smoother than ever. This happens because algorithms tweak themselves with every interaction, getting sharper day by day. It's like a student who never stops studying. Let's bring this home. In education, AI tools like Khan Academy's adaptive platforms adjust lessons to your speed, helping students boost math scores by 20% in pilot programs this year. In factories, AI predicts machine breakdowns. Ford recently slashed downtime by 20% with this tech, saving millions. Healthcare's a game-changer too. AI scans X-rays 30% faster, catching issues like early lung cancer, a trend gaining traction in 2025. Your shopping app? It's machine learning recommending deals based on your clicks. Even smart homes use it. Think thermostats learning your schedule to save energy. With 2.5 quintillion bytes of data created daily, AI's got a feast to learn from. Ever tried asking your device to adjust the lights? That's AI learning your habits. Now, let's talk news. Last week, OpenAI dropped a model that learns 25% faster by mimicking human curiosity. Imagine it exploring data like a kid with a new puzzle. Green AI is also hot, with energy-efficient models cutting carbon footprints by 10% this year, aligning with global sustainability goals. Jobs in machine learning are up 40% since January, showing how fast this field's growing. Want to try it? Download a free app like Google Teachable Machine, upload photos, and watch AI learn to sort them. Next episode, we'll tackle AI in healthcare. If this excites you, subscribe and tell us your favorite AI tool below.